Splash. Noun. A small amount of liquid. Splash. Noun. A small amount of color. The painter put a splash of blue on the wall to make it more colorful. Splash. Noun. A mark or stain made from a small amount of liquid. There was a visible splash on his pants after he went to the bathroom. Splash. Noun. An impact or impression. The new movie made quite a splash upon its release. Splash. Verb. To hit or agitate liquid so that part of it separates from the principal liquid mass. Sit and splash in the bathtub. Splash. Verb. To disperse a fluid suddenly, to splatter. Water splashed everywhere. Splash. Verb. To hit or expel liquid at. The children were splashing each other playfully in the sea. When she comes in the door, splash her with perfume. Splash. Verb. To create an impact or impression, to print, post or publicize prominently. The headline was splashed across newspapers everywhere. Splash. Verb. To spend money. After payday I can afford to splash some cash and buy myself a motorbike. Splash. Verb. To launch a ship. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.